Chiwenga's KuGokwe visit sparks speculation. Yes, the general joined mnangagwa's 2030 campaign train. Sanapinda mashikobuda nyuko panapa achionekwa kuti people aiwa vari kachitara zvakasiyana siyana pamusoro aiwa pe number 1 suti apfekwa naVP Costa Chiwenga muzora nhasi pachete his visit KuGokwe ndoribva subscribe like watombe bele continue munawo muzimu adanyira chiti. Vice President Costa Chiwenga made a high profile appearance in KuGokwe on Thursday, where his facial expressions and body language during a series of handshakes and engagements with the top ZANU-PF officials have set off a storm of speculation over his political alignment ahead of the 2030 elections. Captured in a sequence of staged, tightly choreographed moments, Chiwenga, dressed in a sharp navy blue suit and dark glasses, was seen greeting senior ZANU-PF figures with a notable shift in demeanor. His relaxed smiles, firm handshakes, and engaging eye contact were quickly interpreted by party loyalists as a signal that the former military commander is finally thrown his weight behind President Emmerson Mnangagwa's controversial 2030 and beyond campaign. In one image, Chiwenga clasps hands with a provincial ZANU-PF official while leaning in with what appears to be a conciliatory tone. In another, he exchanges warm words with another heavyweight in a gold-patterned shirt, both men grinning under the open sky, a sharp contrast to the frosty interactions that have characterized previous public appearances between rival factions in the party. However, critics and insiders remain cautious. Some point out that VP Chiwenga's expressions, though outwardly composed, would reflect political pragmatism rather than genuine allegiance. He is a soldier, said one analyst. He knows when to play the part, but whether this means he's truly in support of Mnangagwa running in 2030 is another matter entirely. Nonetheless, the images from KuGokwe mark a potentially important public pivot. Whether this is a calculated truce, a power play, or a quiet surrender to political momentum remains to be seen. But for now, ZANU-PF is reading the pictures as a sign that the general is back in formation. Thomas kwamudanyirwa panapa muzimu ai ratikupa kurep pinako section medu dzimafunguro enyu pamusoro pezviitiko izvi pinako section yedu subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.